Welcome to FedScoop TV. I'm Wyatt Cash, and today I'm with Tony Celeste, Senior Director of Federal at Brocade, and we're here at the 2016 Federal Forum hosted by Brocade. Tony, welcome to the program.
Thank you.
So let's just get started. Talk to us a little about what trends that you see dominating the federal IT space in recent months, and we've seen a lot of changes just in the last year. What are you seeing?
Sure. Well, clearly, the push to go to shared information services is big. The move to try to get to the cloud, concerns about the impacts that IoT, the Internet of Things, is going to have on the marketplace are all trends we're seeing in government. The other big one is how to break away from legacy systems. So legacy systems are burdening the budgets. More than 76% of every IT dollar spent is going to supporting legacy systems. And that doesn't give the government much money to work with when they're trying to innovate and accelerate the rapid deployment of new innovative technologies in their environments.
Yeah, that's very true. Well, and we know that the CIO Council and OMB have tried to put together a multi-billion-dollar modernization budget, and we know modernization is sort of a major focus of the CIO Council. Tell us, what advice do you have for agencies looking to modernize and transition away with legacy systems, knowing that there still are budget constraints?
Well, I think the concept of a $3.1 billion innovation fund to help bring attention and awareness is a great idea. To jumpstart the program, give agencies somewhere to go to get over the hump, because it is a change from business as usual. But the agencies themselves need the leadership to take ownership of this challenge and this problem. And to do that, they've really got to focus on open standards, not just in terms of their checkbox requirements, but actually in terms of their implementations. If they build their environments leveraging open platforms, what's going to happen is they'll be able to have that independence, more rapidly bring new technologies, new applications in and out to better suit their needs. This will also accelerate their ability to get to places like the cloud and more shared services.
Well, we definitely need that. So we're presenting a lot of technologies here today. What emerging technologies should agencies keep on their radar in the near future? You mentioned IoT. There's things like drones, robotics, artificial intelligence. There's some other kinds of emerging technologies. What would you suggest?
Yeah, I think something you're going to hear talked about today, which shows a tremendous amount of promise. And it's a little different from what you've heard before about AI and artificial intelligence. This is more about machine learning. So the environments have become increasingly complex. Now, and we need to take the amount of hands-on that users need to do. So building that automation into the devices, where the devices now are learning as they go. The devices are automating and simplifying the administration and the management. Because just think about the number of devices you have connected now with the Internet of Things. It's way too massive for any one or any handful of individuals to do that. So we need to allow for the machines to do that. And so machine learning is going to help in that area for automation and simplifying environments. It's also going to help in a big way with cybersecurity, because it will be able to be utilized to find anomalies in networks and in environments that don't belong there and take action on them very quickly.
Well, lastly, what topics in federal IT right now aren't getting the attention that they deserve?
I think more attention needs to be paid to the acquisition side of it. While we've made moves and the steps are there, we need to get back to a sense where requirements are really leveraging the open standards, open environment. They're maximizing competition, because it's through competition that you get real innovation. And the government has to get back to more best value awards, looking at that innovation and awarding based on that to accelerate the use of more innovative technologies in their environment and break that legacy cycle.
Well, that's terrific. Well, listen, I know you got to run, but
you.
thank you so much for joining us, and we just appreciate the chance to chat with you.
No, thank you, Wyatt. We're going to have a great day today.
Great. Thanks again for joining us. I'm Wyatt Cash with FedScoop TV, and we'll see you on FedScoop.com.